2026 Lexus Motorhome delivers it all in breathtaking form. This is Lexus Luxury, reimagined for limitless travel. From the outside, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome is a striking vision of modern design and precision engineering. The signature spindle grille takes on a bold new form, seamlessly integrated into the smooth, aerodynamic body. Sleek LED headlamps sweep across the front, while sculpted lines and subtle chrome accents give the vehicle a graceful yet powerful stance. The panoramic windshield and flowing roofline enhance visibility and efficiency, while the aluminum carbon composite panels provide strength and lightness. Along the sides, you'll find a perfect balance of function and form: flush door handles, tinted privacy windows, and hidden storage compartments that maintain the minimalist silhouette. Roof-mounted solar panels offer renewable energy support, while the adaptive LED taillights and automatic retractable awning reflect Lexus's philosophy of thoughtful innovation. Step inside, and you immediately feel the calm precision that defines Lexus design. The cabin exudes a sense of omotenashi, Japanese hospitality, crafted to anticipate your every need. Soft-touch materials, open-pore wood trims, and ambient lighting create a peaceful atmosphere. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the placement of the controls, feels intentional and refined. The front seats swivel to face a sophisticated living area, featuring a retractable glass dining table and adjustable lounge seating. The modular kitchen blends technology and practicality, with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and motion-sensing drawers that glide open with a gentle wave of your hand. Toward the rear, the bedroom is designed for total relaxation. It features a full-size memory foam bed wrapped in sustainable leather, ambient mood lighting, and integrated storage. The private bathroom continues the theme of understated luxury, offering a rainfall shower, anti-fog mirrors, and minimalist chrome fixtures. Every surface, every contour, radiates Lexus craftsmanship. Underneath all that comfort lies performance inspired by Lexus's hybrid mastery. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo hybrid V6, paired with dual electric motors to deliver over 500 horsepower. The acceleration is smooth, the handling refined, and the power delivery instant. With an advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, it glides effortlessly across highways and mountain passes alike. Multiple driving modes, eco, comfort, and sport, allow you to customize every journey. Regenerative braking and solar-assisted charging extend the range up to 850 kilometers on a full charge and tank, making it as efficient as it is powerful. Inside, Lexus's renowned quiet cabin technology ensures near-silent travel, so all you hear is the sound of the journey itself. When it comes to price, the 2026 Lexus Motorhome is aimed at discerning travelers who value refinement over excess. Prices start around $220,000 for the standard hybrid model and reach up to $275,000 for the fully equipped luxury edition. It's an investment in craftsmanship, technology, and peace of mind, backed by Lexus's unmatched reliability and global service network. The 2026 Lexus Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a sanctuary on wheels. A blend of innovation, serenity, and Japanese artistry that transforms every journey into an experience of pure luxury. So what do you think? Would you take this Lexus masterpiece on your next adventure? 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a symbol of freedom redefined, where timeless craftsmanship meets the open road. This is not just a motorhome. It is an experience of effortless travel, sculpted in the spirit of Rolls-Royce perfection. From the first glance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome commands attention. The presence is unmistakable, stately, confident, and flawlessly proportioned. The iconic Pantheon grille stands proudly at the front, crowned by the legendary Spirit of Ecstasy, gliding forward as if leading you toward a new era of grand touring. Hand-polished chrome details, sculpted aluminum bodywork, and adaptive LED crystal headlamps create an aura that is both modern and eternal. The body's fluid lines aren't merely aesthetic, they are engineered for serenity and efficiency. Active aerodynamics reduce drag, while the handcrafted exterior panels shimmer like silk in motion. Along the sides, coach doors open with graceful precision, revealing hidden storage and integrated lighting that welcomes you with a soft, dignified glow. Roof-mounted solar panels, a retractable awning, and adaptive tail lamps ensure beauty never compromises practicality. Step inside, and you enter what Rolls-Royce calls the Grand Sanctuary. Every surface is a symphony of craftsmanship: hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, and brushed aluminum trim, all blending seamlessly with subtle ambient illumination. The fragrance of fine materials greets you, and silence itself becomes part of the design. The front captain's chairs swivel effortlessly to face a serene living space, complete with a retractable glass dining table and motorized lounge seating upholstered in sustainable cashmere. The fully equipped kitchen is hidden within sculpted cabinetry, revealed at a touch. Induction cooking surfaces, chilled storage, and crystal glassware, engraved with the Rolls-Royce monogram, reflect a home that moves as gracefully as it stands still. Toward the rear, the master suite feels like a private chamber in a grand estate. A king-size bed floats beneath a handcrafted starlight headliner, recreating a night sky with thousands of individually lit fibers. Touch-sensitive panels control climate, lighting, and entertainment, while the en-suite bathroom offers a rainfall shower, marble surfaces, and gold-accented fixtures that redefine mobile elegance. Beneath this artistry lies extraordinary power. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is driven by a twin-turbocharged V12 hybrid powertrain, delivering over 650 horsepower of whisper-quiet performance. The Magic Carpet ride suspension continuously adapts to every surface, ensuring complete composure whether you're gliding through city streets or exploring countryside roads. Its hybrid system, assisted by regenerative energy and solar integration, offers a range of nearly 900 kilometers, combining power with responsibility. Inside, noise levels are virtually imperceptible, a testament to Rolls-Royce's acoustic mastery. Technology is hidden in elegance. The voice-activated control suite allows you to manage lighting, temperature, entertainment, and navigation without lifting a finger. A holographic display subtly emerges from the dashboard, and a companion AI concierge anticipates your preferences, from ambient light tone to destination routes. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome begins at $1.1 million USD, with bespoke commissions easily surpassing $1.5 million USD. Every unit is hand-built by Rolls-Royce craftsmen in Goodwood, ensuring no two creations are ever alike. Owners are invited to design their interiors in collaboration with the brand's bespoke collective, choosing from rare woods, leathers, and even personalized starlight constellations. This is more than a vehicle. It's a statement of freedom, elegance, and quiet power, where the road becomes your ballroom and the horizon, your home. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, not simply built to travel, but to transcend. '26 Ferrari Motorhome might just be your dream machine. Let's take a closer look at everything this masterpiece brings to the road. The exterior of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. It carries Ferrari's signature aerodynamic flair with sculpted body lines, a massive panoramic windshield, and aggressive LED headlamps inspired by the brand's hypercars. The bold stance and flowing design aren't just for looks. They enhance airflow, reduce drag, and boost efficiency. The lightweight carbon aluminum body structure ensures both strength and agility, while subtle red accents and the iconic prancing horse badge remind you this is still a Ferrari at heart. From the side, it maintains a dynamic, racing-inspired silhouette with flush door handles, streamlined window trims, and hidden storage compartments that preserve its sleek shape. Roof-mounted solar panels, adaptive LED taillights, and an automatic retractable awning blend practicality with elegance. Step inside, and the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome greets you with an atmosphere of pure luxury and innovation. The interior combines Italian leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting to create a warm yet high-tech environment. Expansive glass panels and a full-length skylight flood the cabin with natural light, while the open layout maximizes space and comfort. The front seats swivel to face a sophisticated living area with a smart foldable dining table. The fully equipped kitchen features induction cooktops, a compact refrigerator, and touch-controlled storage drawers that retract smoothly at a tap. Toward the rear, a plush bedroom with a full-size memory foam bed, ambient lighting, and built-in wardrobes offers a retreat worthy of Ferrari's grand touring spirit. The private bathroom includes a rainfall shower, anti-fog mirrors, and premium Italian fixtures, because luxury never takes a pit stop. Performance, of course, is where the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome truly sets itself apart. Under the sleek body lies a hybrid electric powertrain that pairs a turbocharged V12 engine with dual high-performance electric motors. Together, they deliver an astonishing 700 horsepower, offering instant torque and a top speed unthinkable for a vehicle of its size. Whether cruising along coastal highways or tackling mountain roads, the advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension provide unmatched stability and comfort. Multiple driving modes, GT, Comfort, and Sport, let you tailor the experience, while regenerative braking and integrated solar panel charging extend the driving range up to 850 kilometers on a full charge and tank. And thanks to Ferrari's precision engineering, the cabin remains whisper-quiet even at high speeds. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury category. It starts around $650,000 and can climb to nearly $900,000 for the fully loaded Performance Edition. But considering what it offers, Ferrari performance, first-class luxury, and advanced hybrid efficiency, it's a price that reflects exclusivity and craftsmanship. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome redefines what's possible in a luxury mobile experience. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of innovation, power, and Italian passion on wheels. So what do you think? Would you take this Ferrari masterpiece on your next grand adventure? "2026 Prevost Millennium Motorhome makes that vision a reality. It's not just a vehicle. It's a moving palace designed for those who demand perfection in every mile. From the outside, the 2026 Prevost Millennium commands pure presence. Built on Prevost's legendary touring coach chassis, it combines timeless elegance with modern innovation. The bold front fascia features sleek adaptive LED lighting, a sculpted aerodynamic profile, and precision-machined aluminum body panels that shimmer under any light. Every line, every contour has been carefully crafted to enhance both aesthetics and performance. The side profile exudes grandeur and confidence. Chrome accents highlight the seamless construction, while panoramic side windows and hidden slide-out sections expand the living space with effortless grace. The automatic retractable awning, integrated roof solar panels, and adaptive taillights add both sophistication and functionality to this engineering marvel. Step inside, and you enter a world of unmatched craftsmanship. The 2026 Prevost Millennium interior feels more like a luxury penthouse suite than a motorhome. Polished hardwood floors, handcrafted cabinetry, and ambient LED lighting set the tone for refined comfort. The living area features plush Italian leather seating with massaging and temperature control functions, while a 65-inch retractable OLED display transforms the space into a home theater at the touch of a button. The gourmet kitchen is a masterpiece of design and practicality, featuring quartz countertops, induction cooktops, a full-sized refrigerator, and smart storage solutions. Every detail reflects precision and care, from the soft-closed drawers to the custom fixtures finished in brushed nickel. At the rear, the master suite is pure serenity. A king-size memory foam bed with adjustable lumbar support sits beneath an illuminated ceiling panel that mimics a starry sky. Integrated wardrobes, touch-sensitive lighting, and climate zones ensure every night feels like a stay at a five-star retreat. The in-suite bathroom continues the indulgence, offering a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and premium stone surfaces that redefine mobile luxury. Under the hood, the 2026 Prevost Millennium Motorhome is powered by a Volvo D13 hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, producing over 550 horsepower with immense torque for smooth, commanding performance. The advanced air suspension system glides effortlessly over every surface, while the digital stability control and adaptive cruise technology make long journeys effortless and safe. Thanks to regenerative braking, aerodynamic design, and solar-assisted power management, the Millennium offers an impressive range of over 1,000 kilometers on a full tank and charge. It's remarkably quiet, with class-leading noise insulation that turns even the longest drives into tranquil experiences. Technology flows seamlessly throughout the cabin. A central touchscreen control system allows you to adjust lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security with simple voice commands or through a smartphone app. Integrated satellite connectivity ensures you're never out of touch, no matter how remote the destination. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity defines the experience. The 2026 Prevost Millennium Motorhome starts at $2.3 million USD, with bespoke configurations exceeding $3 million USD, depending on customization. Each unit is handcrafted to order, allowing owners to personalize every color, texture, and feature to their exact taste. The 2026 Prevost Millennium isn't just transportation. It's a symbol of achievement, artistry, and freedom. It represents the pinnacle of luxury travel, where comfort meets innovation, and every journey feels like a destination of its own. So what do you think? Would you take the wheel, or simply sit back and enjoy the ride in the new Prevost Millennium Motorhome?